Nothing beats the flavor of a sun-warmed tomato freshly picked from the vine. Growing your own tomatoes is a rewarding experience that brings taste and beauty to your garden. Whether you have a large plot or a small balcony, there's a tomato variety and growing method perfect for you. This journey into the world of tomatoes will equip you with the knowledge to grow 5 fantastic varieties, bringing you closer to the joy of harvesting your own delicious and nutritious food. From the moment the seedlings emerge, vibrant and full of life, to the day you sink your teeth into that first juicy tomato, the process is a delight. Imagine the satisfaction of preparing a salad with ingredients grown entirely in your own backyard, the taste amplified by the love and care you've poured into your garden. But the rewards of growing your own tomatoes extend beyond the culinary. Gardening is a therapeutic activity that reconnects us with nature, teaching patience, observation, and respect for the natural world. As you nurture your tomato plants, you'll find yourself observing the subtle changes in their growth, learning to anticipate their needs and marveling at their resilience. Each successful harvest is a testament to your dedication and a reminder of the incredible bounty that nature provides. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, I invite you to embark on this exciting journey. Let's explore the world of tomatoes together, discovering the unique characteristics of 5 fantastic varieties and learning the best methods to cultivate them in your own garden. Let the adventure begin. Choosing the right tomato varieties for your garden can be an exciting yet daunting task. To simplify your decision, we'll explore 5 fantastic tomatoes, each with its own unique traits and flavors. Gardener's delight. This cherry tomato variety is a favorite for its sweet, flavorful fruits and abundant yields. Perfect for snacking, salads, or roasting, Gardener's Delight tomatoes grow in long trusses, adding a touch of elegance to your garden. Sun Gold. As its name suggests, Sun Gold produces bright orange sweet tomatoes with a slightly tangy finish. These cherry tomatoes are known for their early ripening and prolific harvests, making them a delightful addition to any garden. Black Krim. For those seeking a richer, more complex flavor, Black Krim is an excellent choice. These large heirloom tomatoes boast a deep mahogany color and a smoky sweet flavor with a hint of saltiness. San Marzano, if you're a fan of Italian cuisine. San Marzano tomatoes are a must-have. These plum-shaped tomatoes are prized for their thick flesh, low seed count, and sweet, slightly tart flavor, making them ideal for sauces, pastes, and canning. Brandywine. This yellow heirloom variety stands out for its exceptional flavor. Brandywine tomatoes are large beefsteak-type tomatoes with a sweet, tangy, and almost fruity flavor. Their thin skin and juicy flesh make them perfect for slicing into salads or enjoying fresh. Now that you've selected your tomato varieties, let's delve into the planting process. Tomatoes thrive in warm, sunny locations with well-drained soil. Whether you choose raised beds or hanging baskets, ensure your chosen method provides adequate space for your chosen varieties. Raised beds. Prepare your raised beds by filling them with a loose, fertile soil mix. Tomatoes prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.8. Sow your tomato seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. Use seed trays or small pots filled with seed starting mix. Transplant your seedlings into the raised beds when they are about 6 inches tall and the danger of frost has passed. Space your tomato plants according to the variety's mature size. Generally, larger varieties like Brandywine require more space than smaller cherry tomatoes. Hanging baskets. Choose sturdy hanging baskets with adequate drainage holes. Use a lightweight potting mix specifically formulated for hanging containers. Select trailing tomato varieties like Tumbling Tom or Hundreds and Thousands, bred specifically for hanging baskets. Plant your seedlings in the hanging baskets, spacing them as recommended for the chosen variety. Ongoing care. Water your tomato plants regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer. Provide support for your tomato plants using stakes, cages, or trellises. This will prevent the plants from sprawling on the ground and make harvesting easier. Monitor your plants for pests and diseases. Common tomato pests include aphids, whiteflies, and tomato hornworms. As your tomato plants begin to bear fruit, the anticipation for that first taste grows. Harvesting your tomatoes at their peak ripeness ensures the most flavorful experience. Look for tomatoes that are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist the tomato from the vine or use a sharp knife or pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. Once you've harvested your bounty, there are countless ways to enjoy your homegrown tomatoes. Fresh from the vine is always a treat, whether sliced in salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed on its own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Transform your tomatoes into delicious sauces, salsas, and soups, preserving the flavors of summer to savor throughout the year. Growing your own food is a rewarding experience that nourishes both body and soul. The joy of witnessing a tiny seed transform into a bountiful plant bearing delicious fruits is unmatched. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning, experimentation, and most importantly, enjoyment. So embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and savor the fruits of your labor.